Okay, we're on the patio. What's going on?
How are you?
Howard just did a presentation at 9 a.m. on the, Thursday, last day of Mobile Beat. But I wanted to ask Jay, we have presenters, seminars, we have expo floor, we have parties, and all kinds of stuff. Why do you come to these shows when you're not working, when you're just here like you are today? Why do you come?
The beauty of these shows is that you're going to pick up one thing. It'd be great if it was 100, but even if you pick up one thing that will impact your business, the quality of your work, who you are as a person, as a DJ, to hear people pour their hearts out because they want you to be better. Brian Red, me, there's so many different channels on YouTube where all it is about help. This is an industry of individuals who should be treated professionally and act professionally and be knowledgeable. Every possible profession you can name has continuing education every year. Mobile Beat is just that. This is school for the DJ to learn.
Now, I always get more out of sitting out here than I do sitting inside.
Yeah, the hallways are the information coming out of a seminar and someone saying, oh, you know what? I just heard this guy, Howard, say this thing about doing this wedding. I normally do it like this. You do? Because I normally do it like this. Oh, no way. And it's amazing when you can hear someone say something. It doesn't matter who they are, where they're from, how long they've been a DJ, but they all know more than me.
Howard, do that dance again.
I was championing what you were saying.
Oh, thank
Articulate and succinct.
Thank you.
And
thank
correct.
You, sir. I appreciate that. But yeah, this is where you interact and learn. And the quality of people that speak to you at a show like this, people that could command thousands of dollars for their fee, you're coming in here and paying really nothing for your ticket to be in beautiful Las Vegas.
It's like 50 and I'm getting red from sun.
Yeah, and learning. Because if you're not learning, you're not moving forward. If you want to just do what you do today, tomorrow, don't change a thing. You're perfect just the way you are. But I know every single DJ that attends these shows and has for the 21 years that I've attended them knows something that I don't.
We're always growing.
Guarantee it.
We're always learning. So from cold, sunny Las Vegas, practice.
And enjoy.
Damn it.